So what business are you in? You guys answered that question for me. Let me tell you this, not one of you has got that answer right in terms of what business are you in. Not one. I saw all those comments. Not one person has got the answer right. Okay. And let me ask you what. So there are salespeople, right? There are salespeople, there are business people, there are, experts who know everything about the product. बॉस मतलब आप लोगों को इतनी ज्यादा नॉलेज है हैंगर्स के लिए, बटन्स के लिए, यान के लिए, टी शर्ट्स के लिए, मतलब जो जो आपने लिखा कि आप बॉस मतलब आप अगर आप चाहते हैं, यू कैन राइट अ बुक, दैट्स हाउ मच नॉलेज यू हैव, बट स्टिल यू विल स्ट्रगल टू गेट द सेल, एंड देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर दैट, and that is one simple thing. Okay, look at those two words on the screen right now, a contact and a contract. What is the difference between a contact and a contract? इसमें बॉस अगर फर्क है तो एक चीज का फर्क है. Okay, and that one thing is the letter R. Contact and a contract. Contact and contract, everything is the same, right? If you look at this word, except for that letter R. That R, ladies and gentlemen, stands for relationships. What is going to be most important in the time that is going to come in front of us is relationships. Sales is all about relationships, right? In the post-COVID world, one thing that will matter the most is relationships. That girl is not only beautiful, but she's also smart. Strengthen relationships with current clients, strengthen relationships with past clients. मतलब जो आपसे खरीदते थे, but they're not buying with you right now. You got to strengthen those relationships as well. Unsold clients, clients that you pitched to, clients who came to you, clients who you went to, but they haven't right now started buying from you. Okay, those are your unsold customers, right? Sold, strengthen relationships with orphan clients. Orphan clients are those people. Suppose आपके factory में एक manager था, आपकी factory में एक sales person था, or that person used to handle that particular account. But suppose he left. Suppose Vikram had someone in his factory, and Vikram had Gaurav who used to work for him in sales, but Gaurav left. And all the accounts that Gaurav was handling are now not being handled by anyone. So what has happened now? What has happened now is that no one is looking after these past clients who may have been happy with you, but they're not being handled right now. So they've become orphan clients. Like, just say, like they say, orphan kids, they have no parents, they have no manager, no one is giving them attention. So you've got to focus on these guys as well. You've got to focus on your supply chain, right? A lot of people are saying, boss, apne paas to paisa nahi hai, supplier ka kitna kaate? This is the time you need to look after your supply chain and your suppliers even better, because supplier will remember this. कि उस टाइम जिसने साला कोई पैसा नहीं दिया, everyone held my payments, but there was that one client who, when I didn't have money to run my industry, he sent me, maybe if he owed me 10 lakhs, maybe he sent me 1 lakh, maybe he sent me 2 lakhs, maybe he sent me 3 lakhs, at least he sent me some money. So he will say that, boss, जब अच्छा time आएगा और अच्छा time आएगा, that this same person will say, साला उस time ना सेठ ने मेरा देखभाल किया, boss. तो आज तो मैं उसके लिए जान भी दे दूंगा. So even with your supply chain, strengthen those relationships with your bankers, right? With your finance professionals. Boss, bank today, पैसा और किसी के पास हो ना हो, बैंक के पास साला बहुत पैसा पड़ा हुआ है. The government has opened an ocean of money for the banks. Talk to your debt syndicators, right? Talk to people and say, hey, let's go and hit those banks. Let's get money from those banks, right? Because money in the bank right now, money in your bank right now, is peace of mind. Money in the bank right now is the bullet that is required in your gun to take over the world. अगर साला बैंक में पैसा नहीं है ना, तो दिमाग भी नहीं चलेगा. But right now the banks are willing to lend at crazy rates. We just finalized a deal where the bank is giving us 0% interest for 6 months and then 8% for 18 months after that. I told my debt syndication guy, I'm like, take the money, put it in the bank. We will use this for JVs. We will use it for expansion. We will use it for breaking other people. We will use it for sectors that people have not even thought about. Take the money, put it in the bank. So strengthen relationships even with your bankers. Strengthen relationships with everyone, right? You people are not in the textile business. You people are in the people business. People first, product later. जितने भी जवाब आए थे, सारे जवाब ठीक है, आपने इसलिए डाले because आपको पता नहीं था, गलत नहीं थे. But now that you know, put people first and put your business, put your product second. It's called the 80-20 rule of relationships. And if someone is writing this down, this is a good thing for you to write down. it is 80% about people. Selling is 80% about people and only 20% about product or service. So you guys are not in the t-shirt business. You are not in the hanger business. You're not in the button business. You're not in the yarn business. You're not in the jacket business. You're not in the PP business. You're all in the people business. You have to understand the relationships and you have to understand people. So focus on relationships first. Product and service will come